Hey everyone, and welcome back to Stearman Family Adventures. So, after weeks and weeks of research and multiple redesigns of our Eclipse viewer, I've finally settled on version 2. Brace yourselves. Look at that. That took a long time to put together. Oh, so proud of it. So proud of it. So, we are going to make, in a moment, a 3 head hole Eclipse viewer that can be used by all 3 of my kids later on today. We'll be showcasing it properly at 7 o'clock on the live. I'll put a link in the description. But essentially, we are going to project that Eclipse on the back of a big box so that they can safely view the Eclipse. Shall we get started? Okay, so this is my big old box. Nice. Found it in the loft, didn't have to buy it. All I'm going to do, as you can see by my design, is I'm going to cut 3 head holes. I'm going to cut 3 viewing holes, and I'm going to stick some white paper at the bottom, just as a projector. And that's it. It shouldn't take long at all. So, I've got a big old box, got some white A4 paper. If you don't use A4 paper, or if you don't use white paper at the back, then it's not going to project quite as well as it can. Some sellotape, got some Pritt stick just in case I need it, got some duct tape just to seal up all of the gaps on the box at the end. You could use any tape for that, it's just I've got a roll of duct tape because it's my best friend in the caravan. I've got a torch just in case I need that to test it in the house, but I'll probably test it in the garden. Trusty pair of scissors, and that's it. So, I'm going to cut out my purple little boxes there. So there we go. I've got my 3 peepholes. Just need to cut out my head holes. This is a super easy project. Anyone can do it. Just makes it really, really safe. You can get glasses, but every time there's an eclipse or anything like that, they get sold out really quick. And why wouldn't you have fun making something like this? So, just going to cut these out now. Now look at that. I use scissors for the peepholes, I used a knife for the head holes because the scissors I'm using are pretty dire. But, quite happy with that. So the next thing we want to do, this is the important bit, we need to get white paper right at the bottom of this box because that's going to be our projector screen. This box, luckily for me, is more or less the width of one piece of A4 paper. So, I'm going to stick it down with glue. It's only got to last a day. I doubt we're going to keep this for very long. So that's where the trusty Pritt stick comes into it. I'm going to shove that down there. Pritt stick do its thing. See that? This is industrial level Eclipse viewing. More Pritt stick. That first one actually stayed in there pretty good. Let's get the next one in there. And there's only a little bit of cardboard showing. I don't know if this is going to work, guys. I haven't tested it. This is an experiment. That's my projector screen. That'll do. We now need we need to seal it up. So what I'll do, I will use my duct tape just to seal this top and make sure it's nice and secure. There you go. Perfect. So now we need a little bit of kitchen foil. Just a little bit of kitchen foil. Don't need much, just need enough to cover each hole. There we go. That way. So one for each hole. One there. One there, one there, one there. And we're going to stick that down with some sellotape. How's it looking? It's getting there. The only one thing we have to do now is put a little pinprick into the tinfoil. The sunshine should hopefully make its way through that hole and project on the back of the box, and we'll have a safe viewer. So for the pinhole, I'm going to use this trusty little device. Doesn't want to be too big. Sort of make sure it's over the hole. I don't know if you can see that. Just using that. Another one. And then the last one. There we go. Does it work? Let's have a little look. Let's test it. It most certainly does. So, I'm not going to test this in the field until tonight. I'm going to do it live on YouTube Lives at 7 PM. All 3 kids are going to use it. 1 kid for each hole, and hopefully they'll have some fun. So yeah, catch us in the live. Hope you enjoyed the video. This is a very rough and ready viewer. Let me show you version 1. This was my first version, done this morning. Look at that. That's not a bad bit of kit, that. But not good enough if you've got more than 1 kid. They don't like sharing all of the time, especially when it's time sensitive like an Eclipse. So I thought I'd make a nice big one just for a bit of fun. Hopefully it'll work. So yeah, join us at 7 o'clock. See you later.